Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin? Then let's get you started buying Bitcoin on Kraken, one of the most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges. With this simple tutorial, first, head over to Kraken and click on the Create Account button. You'll need to enter your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Be sure to read and agree to the terms of service before proceeding. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Kraken offers different verification tiers, each with varying deposit and withdrawal limits for basic Bitcoin purchases. The starter or intermediate tiers are usually sufficient. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information, like your name, date of birth, and address. You might also need to upload a copy of your ID. Once your account is verified, it's time to deposit funds. Navigate to the funding section and choose your preferred deposit method. Kraken supports various options, including bank transfers, debit cards, and even other cryptocurrencies. Select your method, follow the instructions to link your account, and deposit the amount you want to use to buy Bitcoin. Now for the fun part, buying Bitcoin. Go to the trade section and find the Bitcoin, USD, or Bitcoin EU or trading pair. Depending on the currency you deposited, you'll see an order form where you can specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can choose between a market order, which buys Bitcoin, the current market price, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Once you've entered your desired amount and order type, review the details carefully and click Buy Bitcoin. Congratulations! You have just purchased Bitcoin on Kraken. Now you can securely store your Bitcoin within your Kraken account or transfer it to a personal wallet. Remember to always trade responsibly. Do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in cryptocurrency.